What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a salmon with like a lemon cream sauce, okay? Before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Don't forget that. And without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
So the first thing we're going to do is season our beautiful salmon strips, or whatever you want to call it. We got some smoked paprika, a little bit of dried thyme, some cayenne pepper, I think, in here, and what is this at the bottom? Blackened seasoning, blackened, and some garlic powder. So we're just gonna season it. Do it quick like this. If y'all want to, y'all can flip it over and season the other side. I'll probably use the rest of this for the other side. And I forgot to put some olive oil, so we're just gonna put a little bit. Flip it over and get the skin, you can as well. Nice crispy skin, that's what I like. Make sure y'all get the sides too. We're gonna add a little bit of oil to this. Let that heat up because we want a nice crunchy sear on the back of that salmon. Now we're gonna add our salmon in, y'all. We're gonna cook this for about 3 maybe to 4 minutes on each side because we're gonna finish cooking it in a minute. Butter, some shallots, and some garlic. We're gonna add about half of this lemon. I have about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I might add a little bit more just depending on how it's looking. So let's just pour this in and see. So we're gonna season it with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. Y'all can really season this with whatever y'all want. Bit of Parmesan cheese, just a little bit. Now we're gonna allow this to thicken. We're gonna put our salmon back in and finish cooking it and allow it to thicken for a few more minutes. Maybe like 5 more minutes, y'all, and this is done. Y'all, I'm gonna throw in a few lemon slices and some parsley. Alright, y'all, so we are going to pair this with some mashed potatoes and green beans. Well, as y'all can see, I paired the salmon with the green beans and it turned out so good, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is how it came out. As per usual, y'all, my salmon always has a little bit of crust and very juicy on the inside. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe